Now, if you're buying or selling it with a mortgage, sometimes clients ask us what are lender obligations, what work must be done, and what are the charges involved. Now, if you're buying with a mortgage or selling with a mortgage, which not all people do, and funnily enough, only 50% of buyers and sellers actually have a mortgage, which I find unusual because I've got a mortgage on my property, but in any event, 50% apply. But if you're part of those 50% like me, then what happens if you come to sell or buy, there's certain obligations your lender would need you to ask a lawyer to ask them to work for your lender. I know it's kind of a bit convoluted, but essentially, your lawyer, like AVRillo, will act for you, and if you ask us to, we'll act for your lender as well. Two separate parties rather. Now, when we act for your lender, we have to be separate from you. We have to carry out certain obligations and work for them. Now, if that work has to be carried out correctly, now in the UK, a lot of negligence by conveyancers is when they're acting for your lender. Because if your conveyancers get that wrong and they become negligent, yes, of course, you can sue your conveyancer, but that takes time. But in the meantime, you are out of pocket, which you lose out financially. So, for example, if your lender's work is done incorrectly when you come to buy the property, after exchange and you're guaranteed to pay your deposit, if that loan doesn't come through because your lawyer's done the lender's work wrong, what happens then? Can you buy without your loan? Can you buy without your mortgage? If you can't, then you've breached contract, which means you lose your deposit. Now, for example, if you're buying for £250,000, it's £25,000. If you're buying for £500,000, it's £50,000 you can lose. So your lender's work is actually crucial. Now, AVRillo, we do that accurately. We've never been sued for negligence, which is a fantastic record. And if we are sued, you're insured for over £2 million, which never happened to us. But it's important you get that work right. Now, your lawyer would do that for you. Are there charges involved? Yes, of course, because your lender's work is separate from your own lawyer, from your own work that your lawyer does for you. And again, each solicitor and lawyer would charge a separate price for this, but ask your lawyer individually what they charge. Some lawyers would charge a few £100, £200. Some lawyers would charge £900 or £700. We actually charge it around the middle of that, so we charge a few £100. But again, ask the lawyer to explain how that's calculated. Thank you.